Good morning. Welcome to Be Inspired. Do you know one thing? You are in the best part of learning educational channel. That is my channel, that is Be Inspired. If you want to score 100 marks, or you want to become topper of your class, or you want to become topper of your section, just watch the videos of Be Inspired, Fast Max Tricks or Vedic Max. So in this channel, I am creating so many educational videos for the students who are at home, who are facing trouble. So please share, like, subscribe my channel, and I need your comments, whether it is whatever the type of comment you want to keep, whether you want me to improve, I'll just improve, or you want me that to continue in the same way, I'll continue in the same way. Please just write a comment over there. So today we are going to learn a very fast fast max calculation tricks. So what is the fast max calculation trick, and what is this, and how it is going to be useful to you, that I'll show you. So you all know that if any two-digit multiplication, any two-digit number you will take, and if you want to multiply a two-digit number with a two-digit number, it is going to take so much time for us if we follow our own original school method, means our usual method. But I just want you to show a trick. By that you can easily do it, and you'll do it very faster. So if you do very faster, what is the advantage of you'll get? Of course you'll get good marks. And one more thing, the main thing, if you do faster, your time is going to be saved. If you're going to write competitive exams, this kind of multiplication tricks are going to be helpful for you. And if the time is going to be saved and you'll get good marks, automatically you'll become the topper of the exam, you'll crack the exam. So please watch this. Okay, so I'm just taking, for example, 21 into 43. If anyone asks you to multiply within 2 seconds, can you say the answer? Just think of it. Only 2 seconds. Okay, I'll give 5 seconds to you. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Completed. Will you say the answer to me, please? No, right? So I will say the answer for you. Shall I write the answer over here? So I'm going to write the answer. If you just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I written the answer. So how I written the answer, I'll explain you very easily. You can do it. Just simply first multiply the first two digits, that is 8. Just leave a gap over here. Now multiply the extreme digits, 1 3s are 3. Now you just multiply the first one with the last one and the middle one. So what will happen? 2 into 3 is 6. 1 into 4 is 4. Just add these two digits, 10. But I should write only ones place, and this leftover number will become the carry over here. So the answer will become 903. Okay, so we'll just go through with one more example. That is, we'll just go through with one more example. What example will go? - 21 into 31. 21 times 31. So just follow the simple logic. First multiply the first digits, 2 3s are 6. Now middle number gap, last digits, 1 1s are 1. Now multiply first one with the last one and the middle ones. Means 2 1s are 2, 3 1s are 3. Just add it, 5. So if you get only single digit, you will write directly. If we didn't get a single digit, automatically we will go for the carryover numbers. Okay, so now I'll give you a question of 22 multiplied by 32. So 2 3s are 6 dash 2 2s are 4. Now 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 10. So automatically this will become carry. So the answer is 704. Just practicing is going to make, there is a saying called practice makes man perfect. The same way you will get practice and automatically you'll do it very fast. That is going to make you faster. Nothing more than that. Now here I am writing 5 3s are 15, 1 6 are 6, 15 plus 6 21, and 1 will write, 2 as carry. So the answer is 3 2 1 3. So if you have a doubt, just go through the multiplication. 3 1s are 3, 3 5s are 15, 6 1s are 6, 6 5s are 30. 3 11, 1 plus 1 carry 2 3. So the answer is 3213. So now what I'll do is I'll just give you one question and I want you to answer the question. Will you try that? I'll just give you time also to answer that. So 51 multiplied by 63 is over. So I'm going to give my own question, one more. That is 82 times 51. Just try it out. After 5 seconds, I will just ask you the answer. So by seeing this, you can multiply within 5 seconds. Of course, you will. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So I'm going to show this to you. Of course, we all know that 8 5s are 40 dash 2 1s are 2. So what will happen? Last numbers and middle numbers. So 10 plus 8 is 18. We will write 8 over here and carry will come. The answer is 4182. Just check it out. This is the this is the place where you people will stop. An average student will stop, but whereas the topper of the class will just check, where he'll just go through the original procedure also, and by this he'll confirm whether the procedure whatever he followed is correct or not, and then he will check in this way. So I hope you all can understand this, and I'll just ask you to try it with a few more examples less than 100. If you want, you can go for very big numbers like 73 times 65, because you are going to expect that we will not return this carry. 42, 3 5s are 15, and 7 5s are 35, 3 6 are 18, 3 2 5. Okay, so we are going to write down. We will check this now. 7 6 are 42, the first numbers multiplication after, and dash. 3 5s are 15, but actually the ones only we should get, so already there will be a carry we will have. And now we'll multiply the first and the last digit, that is 7 5s are 35, and the second digits 3 6 are 18. After adding, you'll get a number of 53. Of course, 5 is going to become carry and 3. So here we have a carry even for this blank also. That is the only change you will get. Remember one thing, the ones place we will get only one digit. We are going to write ones digit, not 2 digits. Automatically the second digit you are getting, so that will become the carry forward to the previous one. Now we will check whether it is going to be right or wrong, because this kind of procedure you didn't see. So we'll check. 5 3s are 15, 5 7s are 35 plus carry 1 36. Now tens place, 6 3s are 18, again carry 1, 6 7s are 42 plus carry 1 43. Now just go through the addition. 5 6 plus 8 14, 1 carry 4 down, 3 plus 3 6, 6 plus carry 1 7 and 4. So the answer 4745, and here also we got 4745. So by this, if you are going to get, if you want to multiply any 2-digit number with another 2-digit number, so first thing is you are going to multiply the extremes, means the first 2 digits, and then we'll multiply the extremes. So first you will multiply, if any question they'll give 16 multiplied by 13. First we will multiply first digits of this, and then we'll multiply the last digits. So automatically we will get carry, and if you are going to get the 2-digit number, so previous number means the tens place number will become the carry. And what is the second step we will do? We'll multiply the extremes and we'll multiply the means. So 1 3s are 3 plus 6 1s are 6, that is 9, and 9 plus carry 1 is 10. So the answer is 208. Now we will check 16 multiplied by 13. 13 6 are 78, 13 1s are 13, plus 7 20. So the answer is 208. 208. In this way you can go through it. And don't come outside while without mask. While stay home, stay healthy. If necessary, please come outside. While coming out, wear the mask. Just go through the SMS, sanitization. S means sanitization, M means wear the mask, and one more S is nothing but maintain social distance. Thank you for watching.